Geopolitical risk is one of this year's key risks, and it's interconnected with many other business risks. Political change happens at a much greater pace than ever before, and in a more unpredictable manner than ever before. So you have events like the Russian intervention in Ukraine, you have events like ISIS, and so these are all political phenomena that even the experts that look at this stuff all the time have difficulty in predicting. One of the main risk mitigation measures you can think about is political risk insurance, which covers certain catastrophic risks that you face in the emerging markets. For firms investing overseas, they need to undertake it with a certain amount of skepticism and humility. First, they need to look at all their exposures around the world, where their assets are, where their people are. With the best risk metrics you can find in the market, you still need to be aware that you're not going to be able to predict everything. Businesses can see interconnectivity of risk mainly in the realm of economics. We see it in Russia now with their economy in serious, dire straits. We see it in Venezuela with them going into recession. Those economic phenomena have political effects. Some of the best practices companies can undertake to manage their geopolitical risks include diversification of their assets, so they don't have all their exposure in one emerging market country. Diversification of suppliers is important because supply chain risk becomes a serious issue. And then think about how managing your different operations around the world, you can build in redundancies to fill the holes as they arise. There are many country risk services that you can subscribe to give you daily information on crises that are erupting around the world, but also longer-term political analysis. One of the services that's quite interesting that our clients like to use is the Zurich Risk Room, which enables you to construct models based on scenarios that you, as the risk manager, actually construct yourself. So it's an interactive model that enables you to look at a large number of variables in the markets around the world that you're exposed to. When firms are looking at how to be able to bounce back from some of these crises that erupt where they're exposed, the first step is having a good business continuity plan and thinking out all the scenarios and what happens with your production, your people, all of your stakeholders. So we see in a lot of countries around the world diverse types of political risk claims coming in. It's really a sign of the unpredictable geopolitical world we face today.